how to clear the address from your Google Places, from your profile, business profile manager. So what you need to do, obviously you need to log in to your Google Places, and then you'd have all the things on your home page here, and then get into the info. Okay, so it's very simple. You're still going to have all the benefits. You can get people to leave reviews, but no one's going to show up at your house if you don't offer services from your house. It's going to show in the maps that your geographic location, but not your physical address. So what you need to do, where it says the address, okay, so click on the pen tool there and clear the address. Removing your address hides your business location on Google. Customers in your service area will still be able to search for you. So what you do then, just apply. Yep. So it might take some time for it to update. Sometimes it might take up to 3 business days to update, but usually it's updated within minutes. Let's see what it says under the profile. Pending edits you can see here. You can go and see your profile on Google and see what it says there. Yeah, so there's no, clearly there's no more physical address. It says the suburb and nearby areas, and that's all you need. I checked after 15 minutes and it was all updated. So, a lot of times it's pretty much straight away. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.